Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Memefi have integrated all the Sui wallets that were connected. So we're going to check if yours is connected and if the wallet that is showing in your Memefi dashboard is the same wallet that is showing in your OKX Sui wallet. And if yours is not corresponding, what you need to do, okay? So you just follow me step by step to check yours and correct it if your own is not corresponding, okay? So the first thing that you need to do is for you to log into your Memefi account. So if your Memefi is not opening, use VPN, okay? So once you log into your account, you click on this wallet. You can click on this wallet or you click on this airdrop, anyone. So as you can see, this is my Sui connected wallet. This is the wallet I connected, okay? So if you open your own on this airdrop, under this airdrop, if you open your own and your wallet is not connected like this and is not showing like this, that means they have not integrated yours. But if your own is showing like this, you need to go back to OKX to check if it is the same Sui wallet that is in OKX that you are seeing here, okay? As you can see, what stop mine is 0A07. See, it's 0A07. So let me go to my OKX to check if it's the same wallet that is connected here, okay? So once you get here, the first thing that you need to do is for you to click on this place, okay? For you to turn on the Sui wallet, okay? For you to add it to your wallet. So you click here to search for it. As you can see it here, because I've added my own. Sorry. As you can see it here, because I've added my own, that's why it's showing like this. But if you have not added, it's going to show this plus sign, okay? So you just click on the plus sign, then it will be added, okay? So once you add it, you come down here to find it. This is the Sui, okay? So you just click on it. As you can see the wallet here, 0A07. That means it's the same wallet that I have here that is in my Memefi account, okay? But if your own is not corresponding, you need to disconnect your Memefi that you connected to OKX, okay? You need to disconnect it. There are two ways you can do that. If you open your OKX, you're going to see your Memefi like this, okay? If it's not showing like this, that means you did not even connect it in the first place. So you click on this manage. See this manage. You click here. So you're going to see disconnect, okay? I'm not going to disconnect mine. So you just disconnect your own, okay? You click on it, it will be disconnected, okay? So once it is disconnected, then you need to go back to your Memefi account in Telegram. So once you come back to your Memefi account, to your Telegram, you're going to see connect OKX wallet. So click on it and it's going to take you to your OKX, okay? It's going to take you to your OKX. So you connect it in your OKX, you approve it in your OKX, then you come back here to claim your 25 million points. You make sure that you claim that 25 million points. If you didn't claim it, that means it's not connected, okay? So once you claim it, you now go back to your OKX account, okay? Once you claim it, you now go back to your OKX account. Let me go back so I'll show you what I mean. Okay guys, so this is my OKX now. Once you claim it, you come back here. You see this place that is running. You swipe, check your Memefi airdrop eligibility. Just click on it, okay? You click on it to connect. It's going to ask you to put your phone number. You put your phone number. They're going to send you a message in your Telegram. When you get your Telegram, you confirm it, okay? So once you confirm it, you come here, you will see your dashboard like this, okay? So, but if this method that I just showed you now did not work, the next thing I'm going to do is to clear your OKX cache, okay? You clear the browser cache. Once you clear your OKX browser cache, that means everything in your OKX have wiped away. Do you understand? Let me show you how to clear cache. Okay, guys, so let me use this app as an example. Okay, if I want to clear cache of this app, okay, I will press on it and hold. So once I press on it and hold, this thing will pop up like this. Okay, you see remove, uninstall, app info. Okay, so you just click on this app info. So down, we are going to see first stop. Okay, you're going to see first stop. You click on the first stop. Okay, you click on the first stop. Then you are going to see storage and cache. After notifications, permissions, storage and cache, you just click on the storage and cache. Okay, you click on it, you click on down, you click on clear cache and clear storage. Okay, so you just clear the cache and clear the storage, and everything in your OKX will wipe away. You need to import your key phrase again. Okay, if you are using Memefi wallet, you need to import your Memefi key phrase again. If you are using OKX wallet, you need to import your OKX key phrase back. Do you understand? So once you import your key phrase again, you can now go back to your Memefi dashboard in your Telegram and link the wallet again. Do you understand? It's very simple and easy. So guys, once you link it again, we're going to wait for another snapshot. They're going to take another snapshot, okay? So after taking another snapshot, then your wallet will be integrated, okay? Please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe now, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. If this video is helpful, please kindly like my video, comment and share, okay? You can also support me by sending me stars. Thank you and God bless you.